How to reverse a video in Capcut. To start off, initiate a new project by selecting the New Project option on your dashboard. Following this, you're required to import any necessary files, which can be achieved by choosing the Import button. Once you've successfully imported a clip from your PC, the next step is to hold on to this recently imported video file on the screen. Gradually and carefully, drag it all the way to the editing bar located either at the side or bottom of your project dashboard, depending on your layout settings. As soon as you've placed the video clip onto the editing bar, proceed to the following step. This includes right-clicking on the specific clip that you've just dragged into the bar. As you right-click, a drop-down list will appear. Navigate through to the Edit section of this list. Once you've found the Edit option in the drop-down menu, expand it to explore more options. Look for the Reverse command. By selecting this, it would reverse the sequence of your video clip. Now you have successfully set your video clip in reverse play mode. Please be reminded that it might take a few minutes or more for the reversing process to be completed, depending on the length and quality of your video clip.